Don't
broke it. Like putting soft and not broken it.
So make sure this the one is sticked over here safely.
Yeah.
Okay, so pretty much I got it.
Pretty much if you put like broken things, you cannot get the other one, a new one like this.
Right. So no more. My kid is saying no more breaking things. That's good. So yeah, I got it. I got this plugged into this one. So now I'm going to tighten this stuff.
Yeah.
We got this place.
But
hold on 1 second, please.
But be careful when you're taking this out. Be careful.
Yes.
If you be careful, our laptop cannot broke. Okay? Just take that cover out. Let me put this in the trash. Huh?
Go ahead.
Just like, hey, umbrella.
So I got my LCD plugged in here. So I'm just making sure the tapes and everything is sticking around safely without any issues.
Hey.
So you got that stuff. You got.
Yeah.
Be very careful, so that you may not mess up. Stop, Akshit.
So you cannot break this wire or anything. Okay? You're done putting that out. You just have to put the screws there. Then you can put it so tight. Like don't breaking it.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to get these screws back.
Be careful. Just like that. My dad is not breaking anything. So you will go ahead like that. Fix your computer.
Okay, so I got the screw here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this into this just to make sure I get it in the right spot.
Be careful. Just don't break the screws or anything. If you broke, we cannot get some. Don't break any everything too, like computers and TVs and cell phones too.
Can you hold this screwdriver like this?
Up front.
Just
help your
Just hold
dad.
it like that. Just hold it like that. 3, 2. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit the bottom ones first just to make sure it stands on.
Be careful when you're doing that, because the computer can break with every screw when you're not putting that to the right way.
Okay, I got one fixed here, so what I'm going to do is
Put the other one. Be careful when you're putting.
shh, don't turn that actually.
Phew, that was cool. Ah. Ha. That's what I learned. That's what
I got it fixed on one end. Now I'm going to fix to the other side.
Hey, see how is my sword? Dad, see how is my sword? Sword alone చూడు నాది. ఇది ఉంటాయా swords? చూడు. Be careful when you're jumping too. Don't say
Okay, I got one stuff here, so
Whoa.
now I'm going to work on the other one. Yeah, my little one is kind of tired, but he's gonna get excited when this is going to fix. He'll be really excited to do that.
Yeah. It's too hot for us. Something is not hot for this, something is hot for this. Right? Those kind of things.
Okay, so I got this stuff. I'm just making sure I tighten this stuff on the other ends, both ends.
Then you're going to put the other old one? That's kind of funny.
Okay, so we got this stuff here
Actually,
plugged in. So just make sure you have all the things.
Excuse me, I have one question. How your details and everything inside these to come inside to this one? How they'll come? Let me. Can you tell me?
Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to make sure this slowly fits in here, and you get that stuff. That's it. So
Here.
okay, I got the bottom ups. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm going to fit this small stuff here.
Or stuff. You can tell anything what you want. Be careful when you're fixing, because this screen will break every. Excuse me, I have one question. I have one
Go ahead, my little boy.
How your details inside these will come inside to these? Can you tell me?
Sure, I can.
Be careful. One minute. I'll go and see who's that.
So I use a technique here to fit it this one.
Mommy don't want to see. Spiky, squishy, don't broke like that. Because too dangerous to broke. When the thunderstorm, when the storm comes, everything goes to the storm, and the things will not come to us.
So what I'm going to do now is,
Maybe that will go here.
okay, so these are the small ones, so I'll just pop that in.
Oh. Got it. just a tiny little screw. Phew, I'm getting tired. I'm getting